Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today's story is Cinderella. Once upon a time there was a sweet and gentle girl named Cinderella. She lived with her mean stepmother and two selfish stepsisters, who made her do all the chores. They called her Cinderella because she often had to clean the fireplace and was covered in cinders. Even though she worked hard all day, Cinderella always stayed kind and hopeful. Her only friends were the little mice and birds that lived in the house. One day, an invitation arrived at the house. The prince was having a grand ball and every person in the kingdom was invited. Cinderella's stepsisters were so excited, but the stepmother laughed and told Cinderella she couldn't go. She tore up Cinderella's beautiful dress, leaving her heartbroken. Just as Cinderella was about to give up, a bright light filled the room, and her fairy godmother appeared. With a kind smile, the fairy godmother said she would help. With a wave of her wand and the magical words, "Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo," she turned a pumpkin into a golden carriage, 4 mice into beautiful horses, a dog into a footman, and a goose into a coachman. Finally, she gave Cinderella a shimmering blue gown and sparkling glass slippers. She reminded Cinderella of one important rule. The magic would end when the clock struck midnight, and everything would go back to the way it was before. Cinderella rode to the ball and was the most beautiful person there. The prince saw her and immediately asked her to dance. They danced all night, and the prince didn't know who she was, but he knew she was special. They were having so much fun that Cinderella almost forgot the time. When the clock struck 12, Cinderella ran away quickly. She said goodbye and left one glass slipper on the palace stairs. The next day, the prince went searching for the girl who danced with him. He traveled all over the kingdom with the little glass slipper, asking every person to try it on. When he came to Cinderella's house, the stepsisters tried to put their feet in the small slipper, but it did not fit. Just as the prince was about to leave, he saw Cinderella. The stepmother tried to stop her, but the prince insisted she try on the slipper. It slid onto her foot perfectly. The prince was so happy to have found her. Cinderella and the prince were married soon after and lived happily ever after. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.